Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in Mina Port, Abu Dhabi. You wanna see the ship, a cruise ship. There, there. See that, a cruise ship. There. There. That's a cargo ship. This one. It's a cargo ship. See? Uh, huh? I want to take a picture with it. Cruise ship. Wait. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in Mina Port, Abu Dhabi. Too hot. Very hot, very hot. I want to take a picture here in the sea. See? You wanna see the... There. Oh, what happened?